So this is what I was trying to show you here. April 25th, 2014, Concord, California. Weather share. Dave Snyder here. And it's a beautiful day. As you can see, what grass I have there is turning yellow already. Not even summer yet. It just slowed down. Anyways, wanted to share that. I don't know why, I just did. Maybe someone wants to see it. Someone that used to be from Concord or something, I don't know. But yeah, we needed this rain so bad. Might be the last time that rains for a while. Anyways, have a great day. And keep the rain coming. You need it.